Looking for fun things to do in Taipei when it's raining or too hot outside? My friend and I found the perfect indoor activity: rock climbing at Y17 Gym. For just $450 NT, 35 United States dollars per person for an hour. We got to challenge ourselves on the climbing walls with the help of an amazing coach. Whether you're a beginner or experienced climber, the instructors are super friendly and will guide you on exactly where to grip and step. I had zero rock climbing experience before, but we had an absolute blast. If you're in Taipei and looking for an exciting way to stay active indoors, definitely check this place out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried rock climbing before or have other go-to indoor activities in Taipei.